In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create folders in Microsoft Loop. Think of this as a quick, guided tour to organize your Loop workspace so your pages stay tidy and easy to find. In Loop, what most people call folders are essentially subpages. They let you group related content under a parent page, collapse it when you don't need it, and keep your workspace clean. Start by heading to the Microsoft Loop website in your web browser. Any modern browser will work well, and it's a good idea to keep it updated for the smoothest experience. Once the site loads, look for the option that says Get Started with Loop. Go ahead and click it. If you're prompted to sign in, just use your Microsoft account associated with your organization or personal Microsoft 365 subscription. Depending on your setup, Loop may open right into your recent workspace or show you a list to choose from. In the example we're following, we'll open a page or workspace labeled Test. In your account, this could be any page where you want to create some structure. Open that page so you're looking at its contents. This is where you'll set up the folder-like area. Next, find the three-dot menu, often called the More Options menu. It appears next to pages and items throughout Loop. Click those three dots to reveal additional actions. This little menu is your gateway to organizing and reshaping the structure of your workspace without cluttering the main view. From that menu, choose New Subpage. Loop will create a subpage nested under the current page. This subpage acts like a folder. You can place related pages beneath it, keep everything grouped, and collapse or expand the list as needed. Subpages are great for grouping project phases, meeting notes by topic, or documentation by feature area. A few quick tips to make this work even better. Use clear, consistent naming so anyone on your team knows what belongs inside. Over time, you can build additional subpages under the same parent to mirror how your project is organized. If your workspace is collaborative, remember that permissions and visibility follow your Loop workspace rules, so teammates can benefit from the cleaner structure immediately. And if your list of pages gets long, collapsing subpages helps keep your navigation focused and fast. That's it. You went to Microsoft Loop, clicked Get Started with Loop, opened your target page, used the three-dot menu, and selected New Subpage to create a folder-like structure. With just these actions, your workspace becomes far easier to scan and maintain, so you can spend more time creating and less time hunting for content.